Hello everybody, welcome to my presentation on developing resources. I am your presenter, Oscar Nyabenge. The main topic today is poultry production. Our specific topic is egg formation process. The learning outcomes include, at the end of the topic, a learner should be able to list parts of an egg, describe the egg formation process. The resource used is media. The specific resources are slides and voiceover. The remarks are the voiceover should be clear, easy to prepare, and audible. The slides should be short and clear. The list of materials include a projector, a laptop, a smartphone. Parts of an egg. They include a shell, which is made up of calcium carbonate. We have the thick and thin albumin, which are sources of protein. The next part is the germinal disc, which is a spot that develops into the embryo. We have the yolk, which is high in cholesterol and contains all the fats of the egg. We also have the vitelline membrane, which encloses the yolk. Then we have the chalaza, which keeps the yolk centered. And finally, we have the air space, which functions for respiration. The parts of a reproductive system. They include an ovary, which contains a mature ova, and the oviduct, which contains the infundibulum, the magnum, the isthmus, the uterus, the vagina, and the cloaca. Egg formation process. The egg formation process starts in the ovary. This is where the yolk is added. When the yolk attains the right size, it is released from the ovary through a process known as ovulation. When the egg has been released, it moves to the infundibulum, where the yolk is received from the ovary. This process takes 15 minutes. Then the egg moves to the magnum, where the albumin is secreted and layered around. This process takes 3 hours. After that, the egg moves to the isthmus, where the inner and the outer shell membranes are added. Some water and mineral salts are also added. Here it takes 1 hour. After that, the egg moves to the uterus, where some water is added and the shell material, which is mainly calcium carbonate, is added. In this section, it is where the process is the longest. It takes approximately 21 hours in this section, and it moves to the last section, which is the cloaca, where the egg is passed before laying. The whole egg formation process takes 25 to 26 hours before laying. We have come to the end of the egg formation process. We have come to the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening. Any forum for questions is opened. Goodbye.